are you guys?
I'm the influencer voice of reason. And before you post that, remember to exercise proper disclosure methods.
No, do as I say. Hashtag as you would any other selfie. No one needs to know where you got these products. It can be our secret.
Okay, guys, enough. I want to be good, but I don't quite know how. What's disclosure?
It's just letting people know that you got your products free from Influenster for testing. The best way to disclose on social media and in blog posts is to clearly state in your caption that you received the product free or complimentary from Influencer for testing purposes. Make sure to use hashtag contest if it relates to a badge task or a virtual campaign, along with any appropriate hashtags that's outlined in your campaign communications.
What if I'm writing a review or posting a video about a product?
Same deal. Mention you got the products free for testing purposes in all online reviews. If you're filming a video, make sure that you clearly state in the beginning of the video and include it in the About section of your video description.
Huh. Well, that's way less complicated than it sounded.
But think about it, my child. If you don't disclose, what's the worst that could happen?
Well, you'll first get a warning, and then if you still don't disclose, you'll get suspended from all campaigns. And it's really not that hard, so...
Yeah. Sorry, mister. You can have some pizza on your way out.
Well, anyway, you made the right choice today.
Thanks, Mr. Fox.
Well, go ahead, post your Insta.
Whee!